Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss Ben Trump law, trial lawyer for justice. Commercial truck, 18-wheeler and trailer trucks are formidable fingers on highways. These massive vehicles move from place to place and keep our economy flowing. Unfortunately, they can cause significant injuries and accident. Purchasing justice and compensation after a car accident is a daunting process. They may be more than one defendant, and large truck companies with commercial insurance policies have their own legal representation. Truck accident with Ben Kamla Peep LLC is ready to help you pursue compensation for your injuries and damages. How unfair large and corporate and then how does call how does driver fatigue cause accident? Driver fatigue is a deadly because no one really knows the precise moment when they fall asleep. Even if you do not driver was accident, according to Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, reduce your ability to pay attention to roads, slow your reactions and time effective risk, especially if you must stop and speak quickly, impedes your judgment and ability to make good decisions. Truck drivers are in high risk group of Robbie driven according to the CDC. Drivers are under pressure to drive beyond the legal total commercial truck drivers. Federal reg- regulations on drive times. Commercial truck drivers must comply with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Education guidelines. These regulations limits the time that drivers can be behind the wheel and including mandatory sleep, rest break. According to FMCA, property carrying driver may have a maximum of 11 years after a 10 consecutive hour duty, may not drive more than 14 consecutive hours after 10 consecutive hours of duty, may not drive after 60 to 70 hours of duty for 8 consecutive days. What percentage of accidents are semi-trucks? There are approximately 240,000 non-fatal crashes on American roadways in 2016, according to FMCA, report of 507 4% of these involved at least one large truck, including semi-trucks, semi-truck in 400 fatal crashes, more than 11% deaths. This was our video. Like, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.